And we're back to learning HTML, and this time I'm going to show you the table body tag. It's simply written tBody, and it defines the body of a table. So in this case it would be everything below the first table row. So here's our table head, and right below you'll define a table body. It's nested inside of the table tags. And within it you usually have table rows and the TD tags, which are your table data. Let me paste it right here and I indent it properly so that you can see it. If I now refresh the browser window, you can see that nothing has really changed when it comes to formatting. So the tBody tag doesn't give your elements a different format or a different style. It's just there to give your table structure. It's for browsers to understand what your table consists of. And this is how you can use the tBody tag in HTML. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.